Yes, class A. So in the morning, I have sent you some of the deleted topics that are only from PT2. There won't be any chapter to be deducted from PT1. So what are the chapters which have been deducted from your PT2 syllabuses? Glimpses of Past, Princess September from supplementary, narration, imperative we have done interrogative ones, okay? And imperative we will do in the next. And modals, auxiliary verbs, they won't be coming. Homophones as well as letter to editor. Okay. So kindly note it, kindly save it, kindly add this pick whichever I have sent you in your favorites, so that you won't be looking for it again and again. Okay. So these are the deleted topics and rest of the syllabus is there. Okay, I will try to find the syllabus which I have already sent you, and in that I will again cut and send. Okay, so this is very, very important that whichever topics are deducted. And now coming up to that young warriors movement. Okay, so those students whose name has been added into the young warriors group, so those students, please note that this week's activity is to make a video. Okay, you have to just make a video of 30 seconds, only 30 seconds, very small video, in which you have to take a fake news, like for example the news anchors. The news anchors, what they do, they take the viral news and bring about the reality about it. Similarly, you have to make, for example, you will speak, good morning everyone, and today's viral news is, take viral news which is fake one related to COVID. For example, vaccination is harmful. Then bring the fact into light. Okay, then say, but the reality is that vaccine is not at all harmful. It is increasing, it is boosting our immunity. Okay, so in this manner you will take one news only. I think in 30-second video only one news will be there. Okay, and send your this video to me by tomorrow, that is Sunday. Okay, because for uploading as many videos it needs to be converted. Okay, send your video with your name, speak your name and class in the also in the video. I am this and this of class 8D. Okay, and I'm going to present you the fake news about COVID. The fake news is this, and then bring the fact in 1 or 2 lines. Just make a 30-second video. Any fake news you can take. Okay, so that is all for young warriors. If you have any problem regarding this, if you want to ask, just ask me now. It's clear? Young warrior one clear? Okay. So I am waiting for the videos of my young warriors so that I can upload. Okay. So the link which I have shared with you for the webinar also, in that you must have seen that they have shown the emotion plans of the students which they have made. Okay, which they like. So maybe next time your video will be displayed there. Right? So we are going to do this activity, right? So this is the third activity, and after that 2 more are left. Okay. So that's all for it. And now coming back to the chapter. So the chapter that we were doing yesterday was the treasure within. So what the chapter is about? The chapter is about the actual treasure that we hide within ourselves. Sometimes we don't know our qualities. Sometimes it takes a man to bring out those qualities. And this is how it has been taken out in Hafiz Contractor, who was very much afraid of mathematics. He's not getting so much good marks. He is always, you can say, involved in fights, in gang fights, and is always punished in the class. But later on, he turned out to be India's most famous architect. How? Okay. So when Mrs. Bela was conducting the interview with him, he has told that he was not so good at school, but he remembered those words of the headmaster which he spoke at the time when he was in class 10. Okay, so what he said that we have read yesterday. So what he said, just see on the screen, it has been shared with you. Son, I have been seeing you from day one. You are a good student. but you never studied. I have taken care of you till today, and now I can no longer take care of you, so do it yourself. So what he said, that till here, as you are studying in this school since the starting, so I have been taken care of you, okay? But now further onwards, I'm not be able to take care of you. Now you have to take care of yourself on your own. He talks to me for 5 minutes. You don't have your father. Your mother has worked so hard to bring you up and paid all your fees all these years. But you have only played games. Now you should rise to the occasion and study. So these are the natural things which a teacher would always say. So the teacher was also instructing him that actually what the teacher said that your father is dead. So nobody is there to earn money. Your mother is doing the household work also. Moreover, she is earning money to pay your fee. She is working so hard, but you have not paid well of her. You have not returned the worth of her hard work. You only played games. You haven't got good marks anymore. And now it is the time you should stand, understand the situation, and start studying. Because it is very important for you, as you have to take care of your mother. I used to be a very good sportsman. I had been the senior champion for so many years, and I also was the cricket captain. So he's telling about his great skills in sportsmanship. So he said that I was the senior champion of the school for many years, and moreover, I was also the captain of the cricket team. I used to play every game, but that year I did not step out onto the field. So what he said, otherwise I played number of games, but on that year, he said I did not go into the field so that I can play there. So see, this brings a change. These are the changes which have been brought in his personality by his headmaster. He spoke those words. He understood, yes, what he is saying is right. So what he did, he stood there and he did not go to the playing field anymore, and he was only studying and studying. I would go for prayers, and all I would do was eat and study. He said, whenever I'm free, I go to temple for prayers also. And most of the time, I'm just passing my time whenever free eating and otherwise studying. I normally used to copy and pass, but I realized that once I was in senior secondary, I could not do that. So now he said, in my all the exams, otherwise what I am doing, I am always copying the content, copying from other students who are sitting in front of me, and then ultimately writing. But he said, now I come to know that if I will be in SSC, I won't be able to do that. When I got a second class 50% in my SSC, my principal said, son, consider yourself as having got a distinction. This is my memory of my school days. So although he has got in his exams only 50%, that was again great job. The teacher knew that this child was not at all studying, but still he is getting 50%. It means a lot. So see, what is hard work? If a topper is getting, you can say, if a topper is getting always 10 out of 10 and he is winning the appreciation of the teacher, of course, that's a great job by the topper. But if a very weak student who is scoring only 1 and 2 marks out of 10, if he is getting 5 or 6 marks, I think that we also need to appreciate the child. Okay, because from 0 he has come to 5 and 6, and that is not an easy job. This child also needs equal appreciation to that of the topper. That is also, you can say, great job for him, right? So what we have to do, we have to appreciate the children for the great things that they are doing. So this is more important. So when I got a second class 50%, my principal said, son, consider yourself as having got a distinction. You just consider yourself that you have got a distinction. Distinction means you have come out with extraordinary marks. And now these are my memories of my school days. I will always remember that you have done a great job. So I did lots of other things. See, as far as my things are concerned, I can't remember. I forget things very easily. Now he is also telling about his one shortcoming. He said, I have done number of things, but he said, I don't remember those things because he said, I forget those things. To remember, I have to see things as a photograph. Yes, this is reality. What we see, we remember more than what we hear. Okay, it means that visual senses, it always conveys great messages to our brains. So this is the problem with him. He said that whatever the things I see as a photograph, I remember them more than whatever I listen. I read a book and I can remember the matter as a photograph, but not through my mind. So he said, when I read a book, I never remember it. Just I remember is the pages, photograph of the pages. Then I remember what the story is, but it is not in my mind that what I have read. That is how it works. So Bela Raja asked, when you were in the school and you were doing badly, did the teachers pull you up and how did you feel? So now Bela Raja asked him, when you were in school, you were not studying, you were creating problem, you were creating nuisance in the class, you were always going for sports and not paying any attention towards your studies. Just tell me, at that time, did your teachers punish you? Pull you up means they scold you, they punish you, and if they do so, how you feel? Now what he said, Hafiz contractor said, I never felt anything on being pulled up. I used to be so interested in playing. I would receive a caning every week. He said, actually, I never bothered about that I'm being scolded by my teacher because every time I'm interested in playing and nothing bothers me. And you know that every week the teacher beats me with stick. Caning. Caning means the cane stick is there. And every week what he's saying that the teacher is beating me with that cane stick. And he said, I never bothered about it. So, to this Bela Raja said, when you knew that you had incurred the wrath of the teacher, incurred means caused, wrath means anger, wrath of your teacher by not doing your homework or by behaving badly, when you knew you would get a caning, what was the state of your mind? Now, Bela Raja turned out to be curious to know if he is beaten every day, then why he is not studying. He said that, she said that, now you know that you are the reason for the anger of the teacher. And you know every time that Lankajit is admitting, getting entered again and again. And you are not doing your homework and behaving badly. So he said, then at that time, what is going on in your mind? Then if you are receiving caning, if you are being beaten by a cane stick every week, then why you are not studying? Hafiz said, state of mind. Just lift up the hand and they would cane you. He said, state of mind. I never thought of it. The teacher would always say, just lift up your hand in this manner. And she would give the caning on the hand. Okay, in these days, so you people, agar teacher kuch bol bhi rahe, so you people feel quite insulted. But during that time, in older times, teachers, they used to beat the children with stick. It would hurt badly, and then I would have to forget about it. He said, at that time when I received the caning, it really hurt me. It did hurt me. But afterwards, he said, I forget about it because I would want to go and play because there was nothing else in my mind. It was only the thing that I should go out and play. So, you never felt insecure or threatened? He said, you never felt insecure or threatened. He said, I was just interested in playing and nothing else. See how inclined he was towards playing. He always wanted to play and nothing else. He is not even bothering of being punished by getting a cane. Okay, by being caned every time. What he wanted is, he only wanted is playing and nothing else. I was most interested in funny pranks. But he is interested in making fun every time in the class. One day, I did not want to study. So I created a distraction. For one whole hour, we played Chor Police. Chor Police की game होती है ना? You people must be knowing. So he said, one day I was not in mood of study. So he said, on that day, for one complete you can say complete hour we played Chor Police. Chor Police वो slips के साथ खेलते हैं प्रगति. Okay, running game. Okay. So every Saturday we were allowed to go into town to see a movie. So what I would do was have no lunch and collect money from 40 to 50 students and run and buy the tickets. And on my way back, I would eat to my heart's content. See, he said every Saturday we were allowed to watch a movie. So what they would do, he said, I would collect money from 40 to 50 students, like 1 rupee 2 day, 2 rupee 2 day. Okay, like in this manner. He said, I run and purchase the tickets of the movie. And when I, on my way back, when I'm coming back to my home, what I was doing, I was eating all the things to my heart's content. Eating everything, whatever I want, and fill my stomach. It means he was fond of eating outside the house. I used to be the leader of a gang, always the leader of the gang. We would have gang fights and plan strategies. These things used to interest me more than my academics. He said, I am always the gang leader and in my gang we plan fights. उस gang के साथ आज लड़ना है. तुमने हमारे gang के लड़के को ऐसे क्यों कहा? Like in this manner, they were fighting with each other and making strategies. This is our place, you can't come to this place. This is our area, you can't come to that area. So in this manner, they were making strategies, plannings. So he said these things, they really interest me. And what he said that more than my academics, more than my studies, they interest me. So students used to book my textbooks for the following year because they were almost brand new and I probably opened them one day before exams. And students, they are always asking me, Hafiz, give your set of books to me the next year because they knew that they are brand new. He never opened the books. Okay. And ultimately, he said just be one day before exam, he opens the book. Sometimes the name is also not written on the books. So this kind of man he was. See what he is doing. But don't take wrong, you can say, wrong education or wrong values from him, that if he is not studying, he turns out to be a famous person, we can also be. No. It was his luck as well as, but he has his quality that was recognized by someone and he turned out to be the world famous or India's famous architect. But for you, hard work is most important. And ultimately, when he has got 50% marks, he has got it with only his hard work. So it means that hard work is very much important for you in order to get success. So always do your best and don't worry for the result. If you are working hard, if you are putting in your sincere efforts, you will definitely come out with flying colors. Okay. Now it is comprehension check that you would do in your notebooks. let us discuss these. First one is, what did Hafiz contractor have nightmares about? What nightmares he has about? Raise up your hands so that I can ask you. Yes, Manasvi. Kritika is not giving answer these days. Yes.
Hafiz contractor had nightmares about his maths exams.
Okay. Yes, Pragati. Yes. Okay. Kritika also wants to give. Yes, Kritika.
Ma'am, first question.
Yes, Pita. First question.
He had nightmares of exams because he never studied. He was only inclined to playing games, which made him fear about exams.
Okay. So what you will write down? Hafiz contractor had nightmares about his mathematics exam. He would always visualize himself, or he would always see himself sitting in an exam and did not know anything in his dreams. Okay, so this was the nightmare that he used to get. Okay, so what was the nightmare? He used to get the nightmare, okay, and a nightmare about his mathematics exam, and he would visualize himself sitting in the exam and would not be able to answer anything, right? So this you have to write down in your answer. Okay, so what he was afraid of, he was always having a bad dream, or he was having a haunted dream or nightmares about his mathematics examination, that he was sitting in the examination and he did not know anything to answer. Mention this line also. Next question is, what did the principal say to him which influenced him deeply? Yes. What did the principal say?
Can I answer?
Yes, please.
The principal said to him that he was a very good student, but he never studied. He also told him that how hard his parents had worked
Good.
so that he could study in a school.
Right.
And now that he was not taking care of himself and not even studies. The principal had talked to him for 5 minutes. But all these things influenced his mind very much, and he started to study and got 50% marks in his SSC. And
Examination.
the principal was very happy about it.
Okay, right. So what the principal told? The principal told Hafiz
Principal said to him
that he was a good student. Okay, the principal told Hafiz that he was a good student, but till now he has taken care of him, and now he had to take his own care. Moreover, he has also told him that his mother worked hard to pay his fees. Okay, but as his father is dead, now it was the time he had to rise against the occasion, or he had to rise to the occasion and start studying. And he was so influenced by the words of the principal that he got 50% exams in his SSC examination. Okay, clear this answer? Clear this answer, students? Show me a thumbs up if yes.
मैम
Yes.
हमारी कॉपीज कब चेक होके आएंगे मैम? मेरे तक एक भी कॉपी चेक नहीं हुई.
So you can send, it will be done. Next.
मैम मैंने की हुई है.
Yes.
मैंने सेंड कर दी हुई है बहुत देर से.
Okay, then I will send back to you. Don't worry. Okay. Your turn will, whenever your turn will be there, I'll send back. So next, that year I did not step out onto the field. What was he busy doing that year? What was he busy doing that year? Yes, during his SSC examination, as the words of the principal influenced him the most, so that year he did not step out of his house, or he did not step onto the playing field. He was only studying. What he was doing? He was only studying. When he was studying, it was during his SSC examination. Okay, when he was most influenced by the words of the principal, and he did not step out onto the field, and he studied throughout the year. Next, what distraction did Hafiz contractor create one day? What distraction did he create? So let me tell you, as we are running short of time. So when one day Hafiz contractor was not in mood of studying. So for complete 1 hour, they played Chor Police. Okay, so what did they do? For complete or for whole 1 hour, they played Chor Police. What did they do? They played Chor Police along with his friends. He played Chor Police along with his friends. Next one. Would you have liked to participate in the distraction had you been with him? You would have participated in? No. I will not say, I don't think so my students will do this. Okay. No, I would have avoided this kind of distraction. I would have avoided this kind of distraction, as studies are more important to me. Okay. As studies are more important to me. So this is the complete first part that we have studied about Hafiz contractor. Monday we will start with the second part further. And now with that, I hope that everything is clear to you. If yes, just put your thumbs up. Show me your thumbs. It's clear? Okay, right. Good. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next lecture, we will complete the next comprehension, as well as we will start doing the next part. So thank you.